Hi, boys and girls. We're going to talk about a new sight word. This sight word is how. Some of you may have done it so far, and some of you may not, and that's okay. All right, when we talk about sight words, our success criteria, learning intention, I can read and write sight words. I can read and write sight words. A lot of you are getting really good at that. When I'm learning a sight word, I learn to spell it. This one is L-I-K-E. I bet you know what that is. We spell it a lot. I spell it. I show the body language. Like. Give it a thumbs up. I read it. So I say the word. I look at it and I say like. I read it. And then I can write it. L-I-K-E written neatly on the lines. I can read and write sight words. So this sight word is the word how. How. In the word how, the letter H still says what it normally says. But OW is called a digraph. A digraph means two letters that work together to make a sound. OW says ow. I like to remember it by thinking ow, ow, ow. OW says ow. So our sight word, how. I'm going to spell it. H-O-W. Spell it. How. H-O-W. And I'm going to do the motion. I'm going to show the body language. How. This is not what. This is how. Okay. How. Show the body language. Or you could ask yourself a question. How? That's what we do in Mrs. Small's class. But I know the other teachers do it a little different. So we're doing both. Show the body language. How? How? You're going to read it. Look at that card. Read that word. What does it say? How. There we go. And then we're going to write it. All right, you're going to write it. H starts at the top. It goes down to the bottom line, up and over at the dots. O, magic C, all the way around. I think I told you earlier today that magic C helps us make a lot of letters. O is one of them. And W, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. H-O-W, how? Yeah, it's a fun word. All right, here's a little card. This is how we see a planet. The word how tells us about the way we do something. Tells us about the way we do something. I might say, I know how to make a paper airplane. Or I might ask a question. Do you know how to ride a bike? See if you can use the word how in a sentence with your family at home. Ask them a question maybe.